Gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software, inkflow. This software have a lot of tools, like you can use it for social media and blog automation. You can create and schedule content for bloggers, WordPress, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. Direct integration with Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. Seamless posting across platform. How to create post tags and hashtag AI powered tagging for better reach. Repurpose content in one click. Convert one video into thousands of blog posts. Instantly automate blog publishing. Auto convert YouTube videos into formatted WordPress blog posts. You can use it too for AI powered article outline creator, generate structured, engage blog content, SEO, scoring and optimization, get higher ranking on Google and search engine. You can scroll here down for more information. Click and link in first comment. Enjoy in your day.